Did you know that property sale agreements in South Africa could be declared null and void if they're not physically signed by all parties in wet ink? Yes, that's right. Property sale agreements in South Africa may not be signed digitally. And yes, digital signatures have become very popular lately, and many people believe that all documents should be able to be signed digitally and should be legal in that way. And because of that, many people become very irritated when we tell them that they have to sign the property sale agreements physically and they cannot be signed digitally. However, in South Africa, it is the law that requires that property sale agreements must be signed in wet ink. This means that they would have to be physically printed out and signed by both parties. The Alienation of Land Act of 1981 regulates the sale of all immovable property in South Africa. Now, that act clearly states that the alienation of any immovable property in South Africa will be of no force or effect unless it is contained in a formal deed that has been signed by all parties. And add on to that the Electronic Communications Act of 2002 also expressly states that it does not apply to the sale of immovable property, which falls under the Alienation of Land Act. So to ensure that the sale of immovable property is binding and enforceable, it is imperative to ensure that all parties physically sign the document. So it is very important to understand that non-compliance with this regulation could lead to the deed of sale being declared null and void, and this could really turn out to be very costly and time-consuming for all parties involved. So in conclusion, please remember, even though digital signatures are very convenient and handy and even legal in many cases, for fixed property in South Africa, all documents have to be physically printed out and signed in pen. I hope that shed a little bit of light on the matter and cleared up a bit of confusion. I know this is a bit of a contentious issue and many people do get irritated when they have to physically sign documents in today's age, but the law is the law. If you need any more advice, please don't hesitate to contact us. All our contact details are below in the description. If you like this content, please share it with all your friends. If you don't like this content, please share it with anybody you don't like. Also, please remember to follow us on all our social media channels: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course TikTok. Until next time, go well, stay safe, and God bless.